to start off your villa journey po, we prepared a hand washing ritual. So it represents a renewal of energy to fully embrace this new journey with us po. Who would like to try po?
Hand washing ritual. You try it. Oh, go there. Go there. Go there. Give it to me. Oh, so she will teach you now. Go.
You will not allowed to
Enter.
enter.
To enter. Look at the pool. How can you swim? Kailangan mag-wash ng hands. Dali.
Yeah!
Yun na. Oh, this. Si ate na lang.
Oh,
Si
si
ate's
ate.
birthday. Oh, dali. Wash your hands.
It's your birthday.
So this one po has extra virgin coconut oil, a scented eucalyptus essential, and we also have here salt scrub.
Bango ha?
Look at ate. Oh.
It feels so good, Athena.
And then you dry off your hands.
Kayo, release the next one.
Next time. Sige na, next lecture.
Bango.
Athena,
You wanna try po?
smell.
Should go on the other side, baby.
What? Bro, you're just filming. Hey! Wow!
We have here a courtesy gift po, ma'am, for you.
Thank you.
And a complimentary wine as well. And for this mini bar po, ma'am, it is one-time complimentary. Yes po. And for the water, it is replenishable every day naman po. So you have here the outlets na naman po siya if you want to move the blinds down po. So your Wi-Fi access is here.
Okay, I'll just eat.
What?
This sweet's here.
What I want?
Right here. It's not one. Wait.